Okay, I want to make this quick because this is pretty simple. What's each difference? Well, this is, if this says negative 1.8 minus 3.9, what you're really saying is negative 1.8 minus a positive 3.9, okay? Since this is the operation, it's not really the sign on this, although you can think of it like that if you really know what you're doing. But really, you're saying we're subtracting these numbers. This one's negative, this one's positive. You can look at it like that. Now you can also rewrite that and say that's the same as adding its opposite, which is this, okay? And by looking at it like that, you can then see something where you can say, I'm adding together the like types of things, right? These are negative numbers and negative numbers. So there's going to be this many of them plus this many of them. There's going to be even more negatives, right? We're going to two different groups of negatives, pushing them together gives us more negatives. So what we can do is we can just add the numbers 1.8 and 3.9, and we get 5.7. We know that they're negatives though, so that's negative 5.7. That's it.